Hi my dear friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is super cute Tulsi Vrindavan, which is made using cardstock paper quilling strips and lots of mirror and ball chain decorations. I will also share from scratch how to make the base, then how to create these small Diya holders and how to decorate each and every part, and along with that I will also share the procedure of making small tulsi plant which I have made using some secret ingredients. You can use this showpiece to decorate your home, and without any further delay let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking 8 by 10 centimeters white color cardstock, and from all four sides I have creased at 0.5, 1, 1.5 and 2 centimeters. Can you see the crease lines? Now just rotating my sheet horizontally, and from the fourth vertical crease line and first horizontal crease line I am marking at 0.5 centimeter from both the sides. Similarly marking at second horizontal crease line at 0.5 centimeters. Now we have to just join these markings using pencil like this. Here I am showing you how to make the small shadow box in rectangular shape. Similarly we have to repeat the process on other side. Then I am simply cutting the pencil markings using scissor. After that I am folding all the crease parts, burnish it nicely using bone folder and constructing my shadow box. Just add little bit of glue to tuck one side inside other to make it more secure, and our super cute rectangular shaped shadow box is ready. Now here I am taking 6 by 4 centimeters yellow color cardstock, and exactly in the center I have created one temple kind of shape, so I am just cutting it using my X-Acto knife. Here I am showing you how to make the space to put your small diyas. Now we have to cover this temple shape using 5 mm yellow color cardstock strip. This cardstock is having 200 GSM of thickness. So I am covering the outline from all the sides. And it should look like this, and from outside it will look like this. Now I'm taking back my shadow box and covering the edges of the shadow box using yellow color 5 mm strips just to hide the corners and to make it more sturdier. So this is covered from both the sides. So I am going to connect this temple kind of shape on top of this, but to put the diya, but I will do it later after constructing the center part. Then here I am taking one more yellow cardstock piece which is 6 by 8 centimeters, and from all four sides I have creased at 1 centimeters. Now we have to make some cuts in all four sides. Fold the crease parts, burnish it nicely. And then it's time to stick our shadow box with the folded panel. So just adding glue and connecting with folded panel like this. Similarly sticking another yellow side. And also I'm going to connect the one more shadow box which is made using same process on the fourth side like this. Then adding little glue and closing the topmost part. And then taking back my temple cutout and sticking it on the cavity portion. So you have nice space to put Diya, and similarly I have added on other side, and the base for our Tulsi Vrindavan is ready. Now here I am taking 10 by 10 cm red color cardstock, and I have creased from 4 sides just like we did before, 0.5, 1.5 and 2 centimeters. I have already cut just like we did before, and I am quickly making my shadow box. So we have our square shadow box ready. Now I am covering all 4 sides edges using 5 mm red color cardstock strip. Then on top of this I am adding one pattern paper square which measures 5.5 by 5.5 centimeters. And the beautiful shadow box is completely ready. With the same method I have prepared one more shadow box using 9.5 by 9.5 centimeters of cardstock in red color and one in green color cardstock which is made using 11 by 11 centimeter sheet. So we have small, medium and large size shadow boxes. Now I am connecting the smallest shadow box with the largest one to create the base of our Tulsi Vrindavan. Then on top of this I am adding my yellow color base. And then on topmost part I am adding medium size shadow box. And it should look like this. After that here I have prepared one more smallest size shadow box. For this I have used 7 by 7 centimeter yellow cardstock. This is also made using same procedure. And it will work like the pot for our Tulsi. Now here I am taking one strip of yellow color in 3 mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Similarly, we need total 16 tight teardrops. Now taking back my base design, and exactly in the center I am putting my smallest shadow box, and around this I am going to decorate with yellow color teardrop shapes. Like this. Then it's time to decorate the border using some ball chains. Here I am using gold ball chain, pink ball chain and also green color ball chains. Then it's time to decorate the temple part. For this I am using my pink color ball chains. and similarly I have decorated the other side. Then here I am taking this beautiful stone lace and decorating the bottom part, and also adding some triangular shaped mirrors in the bottom and on the top. And in the center I am making swastik design using same stone lace. Decorating the centers of the swastik using red color stones, and similarly I have prepared one more swastik on other side. And then on the temple part side I am decorating with some green color ball chains, creating some scrolls, and also decorating with some mirrors in triangular shape, diamond shape and square shape. So this is done. Similarly decorated the other side, and also I have decorated the edge of the shadow boxes using same stone laces and the topmost part using circular mirrors. So the decoration is completely done. Now it's time to create the Tulsi plant. So here I am taking my handmade cold porcelain clay. I have just mixed little bit of brown acrylic color into this, taking little bit of clay on the surface, rolling it like a pipe. Here I am making the branches, and we need very thin pieces of the branches. So just cut it like this and you will have the branch ready. Allow it to dry completely, it will get stiff. So we have the branches. Similarly I am going to create some more. Then to create Tulsi leaves, here I am taking green clay piece, rolling it on my palm, just pushing from the center, make a small cut using X-Acto knife, just the impression of the stem or the veins, sharpen the tip and the leaf is ready. Similarly we need some more leaves. Now taking back my branch, and I am just putting these leaves on both the sides and allow it to dry. So I kept it dry for 24 hours and I have created lots of Tulsi branches like this. These are stiff and dried nicely. Then taking some more quantity of brown clay and putting it exactly in the center of our base so that we can tuck our branches into the clay. Here I am making the soil. To give realistic soil look, I am just poking some holes using my pointed tweezer. Then adding little glue in the base of branch and tucking inside the clay and creating my own Tulsi plant. So it should look like this. Then here I have prepared some diyas already using brown color clay. I have already shown the tutorial of the making small diya If you haven't checked yet, I have given link in description box. You can see from there. So I am decorating 4 corners using these small cute diyas and also putting one diya inside the temples on both the sides. Like this. So the super cute Tulsi Vrindavan decorative piece is ready. You can use this in Gyarus Puja or you can decorate your home. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.